Worldwide Aircraft Services is pleased to announce that we now offer the Folding Stair installation for the ERJ-135, 145 aircraft in the form of a kit. The Folding Stair is a modification to the ERJ fleet conforming to an FAA Supplemental Type Certificate. Previously, this STC had only been available for installation at our facility in Springfield, Missouri, USA. The development of the kit now allows ERJ operators globally to take advantage of the increased operational flexibility this folding stair installation affords. The kit development greatly enhances the economics of incorporating this modification to operators by eliminating aircraft ferry cost, dependency on Worldwide Aircraft Services, internal shop capacity constraints, and greatly reducing aircraft out-of-service time. The folding stair can be installed on the operator's timeline at their facility and accomplished by their mechanics using standard tooling. The kit is delivered FOB our dock in a custom-built crate which ensures damage-free shipping. In the crate, the customer will find all the parts, materials, and hardware needed for installation. The kit includes a binder with the certification documents, parts listing, detailed instructions along with a series of engineering drawings. A special effort was made to pre-build the 4 major subassemblies for ease of installation by the customer. A comprehensive list of the over 1,000 parts is included, and all parts required for proper installation are individually bagged and identified by part number or higher assembly number. 10 hours of remote technical assistance is provided as a part of the kit purchase price. Kits can be available for delivery within 30 days of an order being placed. To learn more about this product, reach out to Worldwide Aircraft Services at wasiinfo@wwair.com or visit our website at www.worldwide-aircraft.com.